In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Wix mobile menu drop-down. Whether you're refining your website's look or starting fresh, ensuring your mobile menu is user-friendly and visually appealing is a crucial part of the design process. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your Wix editor. Look for the phone icon located at the top left corner. Clicking this will switch your view to the mobile version of your website. This step is essential since we're focusing on the mobile menu design, and you want to ensure it looks just right on smaller screens. Once you're in Mobile View, go ahead and click on the mobile menu icon. This action allows you to edit the icon itself. Among the options that appear, you'll find Design. Selecting this gives you access to either a set of presets or the option to tailor your design further through Customize Design. With customization, the creative possibilities expand significantly. When you opt for Customize Design, you'll notice two tabs emerge, Closed and Open. These tabs are your gateway to editing the mobile menu's aesthetics. Within these, you can modify the fill colors and their opacity, adjust borders to suit your style, tweak the corner roundness to give a softer or sharper look, and even add a shadow effect for depth. The beauty lies in your hands. Make each state either uniform or distinct. It all depends on the atmosphere you wish to convey. Now that we've perfected the icon, it's time to turn our attention to the menu itself. Simply return to the mobile menu icon and click Edit Menu. This action opens up a range of options, settings, layout, and design, allowing you to reshape every detail according to your vision. Whether it's altering line spacing or choosing fonts that align with your brand, each element contributes significantly to the overall user experience. Moreover, if you want to add a touch of dynamism, consider integrating animations. They not only enhance the visual appeal, but can also guide users intuitively through your menu. Experiment with these features to strike the right balance between creativity and functionality. Remember, the goal is to ensure your visitors find it visually pleasing and easy to navigate, leading to increased engagement and a better user experience. Take your time and don't hesitate to preview your design multiple times, ensuring it transitions seamlessly across both desktop and mobile views. By following these steps, you can transform a simple mobile menu into an integral part of your brand's online presence. Thank you for following along, and happy designing with Wix.